Hi, my name is Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to review a fundraising investor database case study for a client in the real estate sector. If you watch my previous videos, you know that you can click my Fiverr link below to get information on my investor databases for venture capital, private equity, angel groups. I also do pitch deck reviews for clients. If you're getting ready to send your pitch deck out to investors, I have a service on Fiverr where I will review it for you. Approximately 80% of the pitch decks that I receive are not suitable to be sent out to investors. So this video highlights a comprehensive database of corporate real estate investors that I recently created for a USA-based client. So what is this client looking for? This client was looking for $20 million in funds for a real estate development. So it's not a startup and it is not a tech company. They're basically developers that are looking to develop physical real estate. So again, it's in the real estate development. Their territory, they're really looking for global clients, global investors. It doesn't really matter where they come from. But we're going to focus on the family investment offices database because those are the ultra high net worth contacts. And they're looking for approximately 300 to 500 potential contacts to approach for this opportunity. So how do I find these investors? I have a database of 250,000 contacts, and that includes venture capital, private equity, angel investors, hedge funds, and individual investors. So what did the final database include? In total, I was able to find 350 contacts. 280 of them had emails, 260 had LinkedIns, and there are about 350 websites. And this also includes key contacts with their titles and email addresses. So let's take a look at the database. So now we're over on the database screen. So after I've done my filtering, the initial screening for real estate of the 250,000 contacts, and I have come up with around 1,100 contacts, and these include different categories. So this is the first level of screening that I do for each of my clients. And again, in order to be on this list, the word real estate must have ended up in their sector as far as preferences. But as always, we do a deeper look at it, and that ended up coming up with the 360 contacts here. So I have about 200 contact names, and in many of these cases, because these are family offices, I actually have the contact names. Again, it's a global list, but as I scroll down here, the majority of these are going to be in the USA. If I do not have a contact name, then that basically means that I just have their website, and again, you can see down here we have about 260 contacts. Again, mostly these are family offices or funds of funds. In other words, they are special institutional groups that look for real estate opportunities. And when I mean real estate, I'm not looking at single family. I'm looking at larger development, resorts, hotels, commercial properties, that sort of thing, income producing properties. So we've got LinkedIn, we've got emails. Again, they all have to have real estate as the entity. They're either going to be a person or a company, but most of these are individuals that are with the firms. And of course we have the firm name, and in most cases we're going to have the titles and a description of what they are interested in, as you can see when we scroll down. So this gives you a little bit more information, but by having all the websites is also a deeper way for the client to contact them, and in many cases there'll be 2 or 3 people on the website that they can contact. So this is how we look for a list of investors for corporate real estate for a client in the USA. So all my database searches start on this dashboard, and as you can see here, I have 252,000 contacts, and again, that's venture capital, private equity, hedge funds, family investment offices, investment banks, everything that has to do with raising capital. And it is an updated database that has not only emails but LinkedIn's in some cases. And for example, if I were to start off with just a simple search of tech and not hit any country or city, then I'm going to come up with 4,455 contacts. If I wanted to narrow that down a bit, for example, let's say somebody was specifically looking for New York as the city, then I would have 217 contacts to take a look at in that case. And then I would simply go here, take a look at the see results, and I could export the search results onto an Excel spreadsheet. So that's how I start off with all my searches for my clients. Are you looking for updated investor databases? My database has over 250,000 verified global contacts. You can also check out the full database of family investment offices. This is the perfect way to access ultra high net worth investors, and I have them in a number of countries and sectors, and you can see it on the chart below. You can contact me on my Fiverr profile. Click my Fiverr link below for more information on my databases. Thank you for watching.